We're checking out the Samsung replacement TV remote, featuring easy setup, responsive controls, and quick access shortcuts. It's a simple and convenient replacement for your original remote. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Samsung replacement TV remote, AAA batteries, and user manual. Specifications. Smart features. Designed for quick use with many compatible Samsung TVs, often working without complicated programming or pairing. Simply insert batteries and start controlling your TV in seconds. Provides smooth control for menus, channels, and settings with directional buttons, OK Select, volume, and power controls. Responsive button input helps make browsing content and adjusting TV functions quick and easy. Includes dedicated hotkeys for popular apps like Netflix, YouTube, and other streaming services. Lets you open your favorite content instantly with just one press. Works with a wide range of Samsung smart TVs, including LED, QLED, and older IR models. Makes it a reliable replacement for many original Samsung remotes. How to use. This Samsung replacement remote offers smooth and easy control with a modern, user-friendly design. It includes a power button for instant on-off, a microphone button for voice search, and a 1-2-3 settings button for quick access to numbers and settings. The navigation ring with OK Select makes menu browsing simple, while back and home buttons provide fast navigation between screens and the Smart Hub. For everyday use, it features play-pause controls, volume up-down, and channel up-down buttons for effortless viewing. The CCAD button enables captions and accessibility features. It also includes dedicated streaming shortcuts for apps like Netflix and Disney+, along with a multi-view or app switch function for easy multitasking. Overall, it delivers fast response, simple navigation, and a seamless smart TV experience. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Samsung replacement TV remote from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Samsung replacement TV remote. See you at the next one.